Hello, my name is Janek Saar, and in cooperation with BCS Koolitus, we created the cybersecurity training program. The program is based on CBT Nuggets ISACA cybersecurity fundamentals and Microsoft SC900 introductory security courses. The training includes weekly webinars that cover security topics and tools from real-life experiences. The course is for everyone who is interested to learn new skills about cybersecurity topics. The training will cover everyday activities of cybersecurity specialists, including awareness of cybersecurity threats, network and cloud security, security operations, and technologies related to the security. The program includes project work about IT security implementation plan. Welcome to the training.